we can see exercise 4.5 8th question. So draw and locate the orthocenter of a right triangle PQR where PQ is 4.5 centimeter and QR is 6 centimeter and PR is 7.5 centimeter. So according to this measurements, so we can construct the orthocenter. We can see here. So we can find the solution. So what given? So given in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to 4.5 centimeter, then QR equal to 6 centimeter and PR equal to 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. So first we can find what is the rough diagram. What is the rough diagram? So then first you have to consider PQ is a line segment now. PQ is 4.5 centimeter. Take 4.5 centimeter. PQ is 4.5 centimeter. Then QR is 6 centimeter. QR is 6 centimeter. So what shape is there? Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So QR means here from we have to take. So here from we have to make one right angle triangle. So how to do? Find. So your third angle doing time you will understand. So QR is 6 centimeter. QR is 6 centimeter. So what type is a right angle triangle? So then PR. So P from R 7.5 centimeter. P from R 7.5 centimeter we can assign 7.5 centimeter. So we can construct. So we can check in fire diagram. So first take the ruler and measure. PQ is 4.5 centimeters. The line segment PQ is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Measure 4.5 centimeter. PQ is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Measure 4.5 centimeter. Then after that, so next you can take the QR. QR is Q from, you have to do find QR. Take the compass and measure with ruler 6 centimeter measure. 6 centimeter measure and place in Q. Place in Q. Cut one arc. Place in Q. Cut one arc. Then after that measure 7.5 centimeter. Measure 7.5 centimeter. This QR completed. Next measure 7.5 centimeter according to compass. 7.5 centimeter measure. Then place in measure 7.5 centimeter. Place in Q. Place in P. Place in P. Cut one arc. Cut one arc. Then take the ruler and join. We can join. We can join for you correctly will get. We can join Q. Two also are also intersecting place. We can consider PQR. This 6 centimeter. Then what is the PR? PR is 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. So what is the triangle? Right angle triangle. So take the protractor, measure and see. So for you 90 degree will get. So we got one right angle triangle now. So then after that take the compass. Take the compass. So you have to place in first point P. Now so two arc you have to do cut. Now so here one arc can cut, but in this side only one arc in this oppositely. In this oppositely QR only, the opposite line is QR. So we can't, only one arc, so you have to increase the line, you have to do increase the line. So take the ruler and you have to do increase the line. You have to do increase the line. So then take the compass and place in P. So first you have to assign, you can cut or not, so you have to assign. So here one arc we can cut, then here one arc we can cut. So then in this place, this midpoint keep here one cut arc, then in this point keep here one cut arc. Now, so then take the ruler. So then we from here you have to do join now. So joining time. What are you getting? Joining. For you equally will come. This line coming type will come for you. For you correctly will get. So this line here from here we can join. Here from here to only joining. So correctly will go. So then take the protractor and measure and see 90 degree will get. So on right angle triangle will get. So perpendicular altitude, perpendicular base at, so on altitude give got now. So then next altitude you have to find. So next point you have to consider P, Q or R, anything you can consider. So take the compass. Q, I am considering Q. So in this oppositely what there, which line? PR. So first you have to place the compass in Q. So here on cut arc, here on 2 arc can cut now. So cut on arc here. Then here also you can cut. Then in this point keep cut on arc. Then in this point keep cut on arc. Then we can join. Q from we can join. Q from we can join. So that line we can increase. For what means we have to intersect the altitude. 3 altitude also intersecting now. So that only in this line we are increasing. So then, so take the protractor and measure and see. So here 90 degree you get, 90 degree you get, or in this type also you can check. So for you second altitude got. So then third altitude, next altitude, the next point over there R. So here from we can check, we can place and check. So here one can cut arc, here also can cut arc now. So then place in R, cut on arc here, and here also you can cut. Then another point here keep cut on arc. Then in this point keep cut the arc. So now here from here already. So then we have to join now. R from in this arc you have to join. So already there, already joined. So already joined. So now check and see. So in this line also 90 degree will be. 90 degree will get. This type you can see means 90 degree sine will get. So you can assign. 90 degree sine perpendicular by side. So 3 altitude also intersecting same point is called orthocenter. So in this way you can consider the rough diagram. 3 altitude we can consider for here also.